In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload digital products on Sellfy 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a digital product to your store with confidence and without missing anything important. First, log into your Sellfy account and head to your dashboard. This is your command center, where you'll manage everything from products to sales. Once you're in, look to the sidebar. Click on Products, and then choose Add New Product. This is where the setup begins. When prompted to pick a product type, select Digital Product. This tells Sellfy you're selling a downloadable item, such as an ebook, video, audio file, template, or software bundle. If your product contains multiple files, don't worry. Sellfy supports up to 50 files per product, which is great for collections or multi-part downloads. Now it's time to upload your files. You can drag and drop them directly into the upload area, or click Browse to select them from your device. Supported formats include common file types like PDF, MP4, and zip archives. If you're bundling assets, putting them into a single zip can make the download easier for customers. Large files may take a moment to upload, so be patient and let the progress bar complete before moving on. Next, enter your product information. Start with a clear, descriptive name that instantly tells buyers what they're getting. In the description, explain the value, what's included, who it's for, how it can be used, and any requirements they should know about, such as software versions or file sizes. The more specific you are, the fewer customer questions you'll receive later. Set your price thoughtfully. Consider the amount of content, the quality, and how it compares in your niche. If your product is premium, don't be afraid to price accordingly. Clarity in the description will support that value. You can always adjust pricing later based on feedback and performance. If you have visuals, add preview images. These help shoppers see what they're buying and can significantly boost conversions. Use clean, high-resolution images that highlight the best parts of your product, such as cover designs, sample pages, or screenshots. Keep the visuals consistent with your brand style for a professional feel. Once everything looks good, click Save Product to finish. Your digital product will be added to your store and visible in your product list on the dashboard. From here, you can review it anytime, update details, or add more files as needed. That's it. Your digital product is now uploaded and ready for customers.